finishing packing up. My house is a mess, y'all. Look at this. Because we're still getting ready for the trip. Gotta grab my sunglasses out the car. What you gotta finish doing?
What you gotta finish doing?
What do I have to finish doing?
Go finish doing.
I gotta get her.
Stand there with the phone.
I gotta get her pillows. You wanna take the long pillows?
Get what you need to go get. Let's go.
Who are you talking to in such a manner?
Somebody that's just lacking and just don't. They don't want to go nowhere.
Lacking? What a word choice, lacking. I'm lacking?
You say something else? Where you going? Car in the driveway.
Oh. No, you just had the car across the street. Don't act like you did.
No, I didn't.
You did just have this car across the street. You did. I need to get some shit. Back up. Back up, fool. House is a wreck. Dad brought us some Chick-fil-A. The place that I don't understand the hype. I don't get it. I don't get the hype of Chick-fil-A. Hey, Maya.
Hi, bye. Bye. Bye.
Dad left me and Maya in the car.
Like
he
dogs.
rolled like dogs. He rolled the windows down for us. Got Ben in the cage. Ben, say what up. He rolled the window down for us. And like turned the radio off and took his keys, but like we don't want to listen to the radio. But we're finally getting on the road and getting ready to go. It started raining. Oh, I need a nap.
Tell somebody to break them.
So we're about to head down. We got like a 2-hour ride. I think it's 2 hours. Yeah, I think it's 2 hours. Because it's near Ocean City. I'm lashless again. Oh well.
You went years of your life without the lashes. You want to be.
I know, and now it's like
fine,
you said. I want to be cute so bad.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you hating, Maya? You don't know?
Not swishy hips.
We're almost there. Ben, we almost there. Bentley has thrown up three times.
Well, he throwed up.
He does
twice
not do car rides, long distance car rides. And Dad is in the store because we forgot our knives. They have some stuff at the in the cabin, but we don't know what they got. Like I didn't even bring like a little knife to do the potatoes, put a potato salad. And he didn't bring his extra sharp knife that he loves to death. Things husband is obsessed with. Sharpening knives.
My God.
Me and him had a whole debate about keeping the knife. I know, look at this fool about to go out the window. About keeping the knife sharpener out on the counter. I kept putting it away. He kept putting it back out. Because he feel like it needs to be on the counter. Because I use it all the time. Why do you have to use it all the time to keep your knife sharp? I just don't get it. Like, but that's his thing. Hoisters and sharpening knives. That's Daryl. Babe, what plant should we put here? A hoister, because it's going to come back, right? Hoisters come back? Yeah, hoister. I'd be like, let's get something with some color. Nah, F that. We need a hoister. We need to put a hoister right there. I wish I had never told him that hoisters come back every year. I really do, because that's all he know. Hoister. Anything else you want to say about your dad that he's obsessed with? Telling people to wash the dishes. And not doing it himself. But, yep.
Saying I don't wash the dishes, actually. Sometimes it be him.
We're actually like 10 minutes away from where we need to be. So we just stopped at this Dollar General and we will be back on the road. Dog. Ben is a part of our family. Ain't that right, Ben? Ben, ain't that right? Okay. This dog is, he's so nosy. My husband's stressed out because he think they don't have a stove in the cabin. We got a call saying that there's no stove.
There was one last year. I ain't stressed out.
Last year. You're not stressed out, but you just told me to call them.
Well, I want to.
Maya.
That's not stressed out.
Was he stressed out?
Yeah. Just call him. I want to see something. Because now
because I mean, because he's
We hope the person that delivered that message was joking. Alex told Mia that we don't have ovens in the campers, that they took them out.
They don't campers, cabins.
Cabins, camper, whatever the hell it is, or lodging. That they took it out.
Well, that don't make no sense. They need to charge less money then.
So she brought stuff to do her macaroni and cheese, and there's no oven. We made it to Frontier Town.
What's funny is me and Renee were looking for the ice cream place and we couldn't find it. They never had miniature golf.
Turn left into the car park, then arrive at your destination.
Turn that thing off. They can tell me turn left. Get the fuck out of here.
You don't know your right from your left?
We've made it. We've made it. Alex and Shireen are already here, just waiting on Mia and Quentin. Loretta and her husband are here. We're about to check in. My husband's still asking about these damn ovens, so she went to go check.
I would say yes. Because the night before we'll have those cancellations. So morning would probably be golf cart repoed.
You have a 2-burner range with a toaster oven.
Yeah, it probably was. And they got
Okay. Yep. You have some time off. Utilize it.
Oh, I wasn't going to be doing it no way. I wasn't going to be doing it.
Yeah, you got a toaster oven and you got a range. So, I mean, you can...
Yeah, she said we could see the bay. When the picture online, it said deluxe cabin, but she said cottage. She said we're in a cottage and not a cabin. She said that we're in a cottage and not a cabin.
I don't understand that.
Me neither, because I could have swore you booked deluxe cabin. I know them bunk beds better not be in the hallway. Because I didn't want to.
You're not sleeping out in the open like that. That's scary. It just snatched me up.
Nobody's going to take you. I can't believe this. So we do not have an oven.
Hold on.
She said some of them do, some of them don't. But she said that we have a beautiful view of the bay from where we are.
I don't care. We had a beautiful bay view in that dirty RV too. With the no Wi-Fi, they scammed my father.
HH3. So this is where we are. We're down here. Where Alex and them at? What number they at?
1.
Is that's not the number.
No, it's nice.
It's nice in there.
Yeah.
It's closing day. Maya's putting the key in our new house, our new cottage. Let's see if Maya's bunk bed is in the middle of the It's in the middle of the thing. It's not working. Push. I'm just going to give you all a quick overview / tour of the deluxe cottage here at Frontier Town. Our unit did have a fully screened front porch, very small dining and living room area with a TV. The couch actually folds out into a bed, which my in-laws made use of. They slept there when they came to visit. Small kitchen, limited counter space. We did remove the coffee maker and the toaster oven, and we put them on a shelf that is actually behind the area where I'm filming now. refrigerator was nice and clean. They do provide items for you to use in case you forget them, or if you just don't want to bring anything with you. Mixing bowls, knives. The knives were dull though. Oven mitts, forks, knives, spoons. I already said mixing bowls, pots and pans. They also had pots and pans. It was a 2-burner electric stove. I had difficulty using it. Couldn't get my potatoes to boil for nothing. And Daryl came and cooked his string beans and had it boiling. I just couldn't figure it out. This is where Amaya will be sleeping. Bed at the bottom, bed at the top. She did move the ladder because she kept running into it. Over here is where Daryl and I will be sleeping. They do offer a linen package. I believe it was like $12. I'm not sure if it's $12 per room or $12 for the whole thing, but we did bring our own items. Now here is the bathroom. They do provide toilet paper and paper towels, and they did give us a rug to put down. I'm assuming it's clean. We did not use it. I brought my own towels, rags, and bathroom rugs. Now I'm just going to head back on outside so that we can get this truck unloaded. The outside area also had a fire pit, a barbecue grill, a little tiny one, and a picnic table for our use. And it came with like a little parking pad, as you can see outside right here, where Daryl actually parked the trailer.
You know, it sucks about the no oven. That's so stupid.
I was telling Mia that there wasn't no oven over here. She kept saying, I said it is.
And it's not. I'm not gonna say hello. I ain't trying to step in all on the dirt.
Let me know when y'all get your clothes.
Okay. Okay, let me go say hi. That's where Quentin and me are gonna be at right there. Well, where's the view of the bay? She told me we got a view of the bay. Where the bay at? Hey. Hi, how you doing? Your mama here?
Yeah, she right in there.
Okay. Hey, girl. Hi. Hi. We all got the dog. Hi. Girl, my dog keep trying to run off. Not with the stainless steel. Why she got stainless steel, y'all? She got stainless steel. Hi. With no damn stove. I'm so mad about that.
How I'm supposed to make my beans?
Yes.
That's all right. I'm gonna put them
We got the smoker or the grill, yeah.
Just put the top in there. That's a little longer. What? Huh?
Hi.
So then we gonna use
I could have brought my little princess if you were gonna be here.
That's my grandbaby. That's my daughter.
Hi. I could have brought my grandbaby.
Yes, you could have.
We could. I dare Quentin to say something. Oh, he whipped the cart. Oh,
The old cat.
she was driving all the way down there. I'm like, where you going?
Aren't you right here? I was like,
Hey. Hey. Hey, girl. Hi. She good. You could be like her.
He right here. He said he wanted the one on the end.
Eli, mommy.
Why? Because you got pants on?
I'm going on with your
I'm the hot dog. I'm
What's going on with your outfit?
This is my driving outfit.
No, that's not. Made it back to the cottage. We just left a restaurant, OC Eateries, and when I tell you they screwed up our food, our order, they screwed up. So we ordered 30 wings, and we wanted teriyaki, leaping lizard, and spicy barbecue. So we ordered. Then Quentin and Mia ordered. Quentin's food came first. Quentin and Mayani's food came first, I think. Burger and quesadilla. So they also had ordered wings. We get our wings. We're thinking they're our wings. And we start eating them. And I'm like, these don't taste like any of the flavors that we ordered. I'm like, they taste like lemon pepper. So turns out they gave us the wrong wings, and of course we're eating on them, so we couldn't give them back to Quentin and Mia. So we just ate them. We tried to correct it. Maya's pizza came out last, but before her pizza came out last, the guy brought out a pizza, and he said cheese pizza, and we were like, no, we ordered a Southwest pizza. And he was like, what's the Southwest pizza? And Daryl said, the Southwest pizza that's on your menu. He was like, what's on it? So Maya actually got the menu and read to the guy what was on the menu. So they kept bringing us food to our table that we didn't order. They messed up Quentin and Mia's order, so they had to redo it with their wings. So then we're like, you know, we had asked for the sauces to be on the side for our wings. So y'all have to excuse me. I'm laying across this bed till Maya gets out the shower, and then I'm gonna get in. But right now I'm tired. So they bring us a little container of sauce with leaping lizard and spicy barbecue. And I'm like, what the hell are we gonna do with this sauce? Pour it on lemon pepper wings? That don't make no sense. So the wings were good. They were cooked all the way through. They were flavorful. They were saucy, because nothing like some dry wings. You do not want no dry wings when they're supposed to have a sauce on them. So they were good, but it's just the fact that we did not order lemon pepper wings, so it just messed everything up. So they ended up getting our order right. They gave us our teriyaki wings, our leaping lizard, and our spicy barbecue wings, and they did not charge us for it, so that was good. that they did not charge us for it. But food was good. My fries were good. I got loaded fries. Like you could get like different types of fries, and you can load it up with your protein and your peppers or whatever you want. So I asked for regular fries with cheese sauce, onions, and it had shredded chicken on it. I asked for the cheese sauce to be on the side, and I asked for the gravy to be on the side. Well, the cheese sauce they put on there, and they didn't give me any gravy. I had to say, where's my gravy? So they gave me the gravy in a container, and you know, it was pretty good. So I just felt bad. Maya got her food last, and you know, she had already nibbled on the wings and the fries, so by the time her pizza came, she wasn't feeling it. But you know, and the girl was new. She did say that she was new, so she was a little flustered, running back and forth and stuff like that. And with all of our foods coming out at crazy different times, it was just like, okay, this is weird. So anyway, gonna get in the shower when she gets out and get some sleep, because we're cooking breakfast for everybody in the morning. So I'm gonna get some rest. I have no idea what time it is, but me and Bentley are gonna go on our morning walk, see if we can find the bay that we're supposed to be able to see. Okay, honey, hold on. No. Okay. I did not sleep good again. I swear it must be just being away from home. Come on, let's go down here a little bit. Where are you trying to go potty? You're just trying to pee. I think it's just being away from home and not sleeping in your own bed, but I slept horribly. My neck hurts. So I'm not happy that I didn't sleep well. Amaya did not have a fan in her room or AC unit, so Dad went out and brought her a fan. It was the last fan they had left, and honey, he's mad because it was $48. But yeah, she doesn't have a fan in here. Like, why would you not put a fan or AC unit in this room? Like, she said she was sweating last night, and we feel bad, you know.
Hey, my kids ache so they can roll.
Ah! Maya, you taking the golf cart? You need a quick lesson again? Call your boy to come help you with your tent. That's what you do.
I'm a wife here. You help.
No.
Yes. That
No.
way you learn how to do shit.
I don't want to learn how to put up a tent. That's what you for. I don't need to learn how to put up a tent. I don't feel like doing this. Dad got some bacon on the flat top. It's like 11 o'clock, 11:30. I'm going to go get me a couple pieces of bacon. That's
That's what I'm about to do. Let me take it in. Let me take it in.
Yeah.
Ben, I'm gonna let you stay here with Dad if you don't stop.
Daddy, where the golf cart be? Huh? Daddy, where the golf cart be?
Right.
You know I gotta put Loretta on since I kept saying Loretta was here. Loretta's here.
So how many around here we chose? The three cabins, right? Yeah, 3 cabins.
Include you too?
Yeah. Yeah. And y'all was supposed to don't know. We don't know where we are now.
We don't know. I don't. I still ain't saying that. We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure out where we at.
Oh, so this is the little this is where I wanted to get to.
Okay. Watch them babies move because they're kids and parents ain't
They're not
watching.
So this is the other park area.
The babies back there party. Now all this stuff I seen on the brochure. Yep. Here go a bump. Here go a bump. Goddamn it. There's a bump now. There's a bump.
I'm glad you're paying me $50.
We just said we're not built for that.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
We're not built for that.
I'm just kidding. I'm just throw something falling on you right now. I'm just kidding.
This is not doing it.
My pinky toe.
He got me in my pinky toe. Chris, why you see my pinky toe? You said take her for a ride.
Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna ride with y'all.
Can't drive on an empty stomach.
Hey, baby. Mine is too.
Mine?
Come back to you.
we're headed down to Ocean City to the boardwalk to walk for a little bit, see what we see, catch a contact along the way. Don't catch a contact, baby girl. What do you mean? And then we're gonna go karting. Well, they may go. I don't think I'm doing it. I don't think I'm going go karting.
Ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's on me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart.
Today is our last day. We actually have to check out at 10. I think it's like almost 8:30. But I can say that I'm super glad that we got introduced to our version of camping, coming to the campground. I really am glad that we, when we had the opportunity and we came down here, that we experienced it, we liked it, and said we would be back. So in saying that we would be back down here, we were supposed to come down every other year. Ben, you got me twisted. And saying that we would be down here every other year, life happened, and my husband is an owner-operator trucker, and there were quite a few times that his truck broke down. And when those trucks break down, sometimes they are not cheap fixes. They're like thousands and thousands of dollars. So you have to weigh your options. Like, his truck is his livelihood, so we couldn't go camping a few times because of that. And then trying to put our daughter through college, and now I'm about ready to get ready for the next one to go to college. But you know, you have to weigh your options. Like, it's more important to get this truck fixed than to put a couple thousand into going camping. So I'm glad that we were able to pick it back up and come back last year and this year, and we are going to start back coming every other year. We're going to figure out what we're going to do in between time. But this experience has opened my eyes, because I'm not an outdoors person at all. I don't like grass, I don't like dirt, but I like being out here. So I would never in a million years, like 10 years ago, say I'm going to be camping. I want my husband to get us an RV so we can go traveling around. I would have never thought that, but I think about that, that maybe when we retire, we can get like a little RV, a little mobile house, and go around traveling, seeing parts of the US, Canada. I would have never thought that this city girl would do this. Never. When we first came here, the very first time we came, we had a friend, and we paid, I think it was per family to come, and like he made sure the entire time we came we had breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We stayed at Francis Scott Key Resort. At Francis Scott Key Resort, which, you know, is right down the street. It's like 5 minutes away, and we would just come here. So then when we had the opportunity to come back again, we stayed in the trailer. This time we're in the cottage, and you know, just a whole different experience that I'm glad that I'm doing. Also want to convince my husband to buy us our own golf cart, because some of these golf carts are so cute. So, and he mentioned it before that he might want to get one, so I'm gonna plug it in this video. That, hubby, we need our own golf cart with the 3 rows. We need a 3-row golf cart. Since you just brought a bigger trailer, he just brought a bigger one of these black things. He brought a bigger one. So, get the golf cart, Daryl. I'm gonna get in here and start cleaning up and packing up. Daryl's outside getting cleaned up. We are, well, actually he's not cleaning up right now. He is actually frying fish so that we can have some fish and grits before we leave. I'm in here packing up. I have this stuff left to pack up. Some stuff over here. This is his side. Stuff up there. All his vitamins and stuff that we have to get packed up. My shoes. Have a few things left to get out of the bathroom. Yeah, flies. So, yep, got that stuff right there. Hair cap, shower stuff. We gotta pack up all of this stuff like that. All of our utensils are washed. I just have to find a bag to put them in. Got the blankets folded. Daryl's parents actually came, and he had to go to the store to get them some pillows and blankets, so those are the ones they used. And over here, gotta get this stuff cleaned up. Daryl brought me some coffee from Wawa because I talked about him, because yesterday he went and got himself some coffee, and I was like, why would you get yourself coffee and not me coffee too? But he said, honestly, the coffee was trash. So I tasted it and it was trash. And he drinks his black sometimes, just like maybe a dash of sugar sometimes, but it was trash. So he went to Wawa, got me some coffee. I need it. So, yep, that's about what we got to do. Let's see what Maya's got to do. Cribs. Let me see your little animal you won last night. No, you didn't bring macaroni with you. Macaroni, I'm sorry.
I sure did.
This is a unicorn. You called it an elephant.
Yeah, I was tripping last night. Okay.
You were tripping.
My girl.
What's her name? Izzy? What's Daisy? Okay. Hi, Daisy. Unicorn named Daisy. Oh, then Maya still has to get her stuff together too. She doesn't have much, but she said I'm just throwing it in the bag. Okay. What is it? Bye. As for the porch, we got this stuff that he's gonna be in that. Just stuff like that we got. Okay. So fish and grits before we go. Had to add the Frank's Red Hot. Checkout is at 11, and what time is it? 12 o'clock. Checkout was actually at 11. It's 12 o'clock. Oh god, I gotta fix my eyebrows. But we still have a little bit left to do. We're loading everything up. We still gotta get this table cleared. Get all this stuff done. This is what this is looking like right now. Maya is all cleared out. She didn't leave anything. I just have to get our pillows and stuff and throw the rest of this stuff in the bag. This is Daryl's stuff. Still got stuff up there. Let me get my... I'm waiting on Daryl to finish hitching up the trailer to the truck. Loretta and Sean have left. Shireen and Alex have left. Mia and Quentin have left. We're the last ones to get on the road. Checkout was at 11. I don't know what time it is. Last time I checked in, it was like 12. So it may be 12:30 right now. Did you want to look at those other cabins while we were here? Okay. All right. He said, hell no. Okay. He don't want to look at the other cabins that we're considering. So what's going to happen is we're probably going to book them. He's going to say he likes the inside but not the outside. There's not enough room to spread out. But he doesn't want to look at them. So nothing I can do about that. I just know my husband. He's going to say, yeah, I should have stopped while we were down there just to look. It's not like we were going far. We were right there on the campground. I don't know. It's hot as hell out here, though. I know that. He has on his shirt, make my knee great again. All right, he's ready to get on the road. I guess all these golf carts didn't clue me in that this is where I turn it in at, even though I know that. Hello. Do I just put it right here? Like right up there a little bit? Oh, this is good? Okay. All right. Oh, leave key in. So just leave the key in. Okay. There we go. Dropping off the golf cart. Ugh,
Ooh, I can't get out. Goodness. Ooh. We were like trying to do so much. I'm returning the cart, and the lady said, looks like y'all were having a big cookout over there. Looks like y'all were having a good old time. Like the man yesterday. Who's getting married? What's going on over here? What are y'all doing? Enjoying life. Make my knee great again. Because guess what? All they going to see is make, and they going to be like, oh, make America great again. No, the fuck we ain't. America ain't never been great. Okay, it's greater than something. So.
America is great.
America's
always been great.
No, the hell it ain't.
Well, it's been great to a certain extent.
Exactly. America still has a long way to go.
Evidently.
Yes, a long way to go. But yeah,
we probably won't live to see it. But anyhow.
My husband keeps talking about we might not live to see it. I keep telling this dude, I'm living till I'm 200. I want to see it all and be around it all. Maybe.
Well, you can hardly walk now. You gonna be in a bed?
Nope. And Maya's gonna be right there with me, taking care of her mama. I didn't get to go to the water park.
She wasn't doing nothing.
Maya doesn't. Yeah, I didn't get to go to the water park. Maya did though. That's what